Je parle français doucement, je comprends un petit peu. Je parle vite, je comprends pas. Being a Cajun in South Louisiana means food, it means music, it means family and friends, lots of get-togethers, lots of crawfish balls. They're good though, I want to try one. And just gathering and being part of a community. I mean, this is as Cajun as it gets. The name of the community is Theriot, which is named after my third great grandpa, Michel L.Y. Theriot. I spent my entire life in the swamps and marshes of South Louisiana, and that's why the environment is very important to me. All along the coastline, what was once oak trees and farmland and cattle has now degraded into salt marsh, and we're losing land by a dramatic amount. Yeah, look, follow me. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, we got some old broken marsh. But in the last 30 years, it's gone from this to this over here, which is just now completely open water. Well, with the loss of habitat, when we do get big storms and hurricanes, it intensifies the damage that these storms cause. This is the house my mom grew up in, my grandparents' house. Hurricane Ida blew it down and the house is no longer there. So it was about a year and a half ago, Hurricane Ida came right through here. And this house stood for a good 70 years and survived every storm before that. But that storm there, it couldn't take it anymore. It finally came down. I helped them dig through the rubble and all that, and I don't know. Come and do this, it kind of strikes a nerve. More than I thought it would. It breaks my heart to see the marsh falling apart. So I decided to do something about it. I had an opportunity to join an organization that specializes in coastal restoration. It's a nonprofit called Ducks Unlimited. And we rely on conservation partners like Shell, who have been supporting coastal restoration projects for over 40 years. So what we're doing, we're building terraces in this open water that recreate the old marsh systems. So what the terraces do is act as speed bumps to knock down wave action. It allows subaquatic vegetation to grow. It blocks the wind and it protects the shoreline around it. It just creates a nice habitat for the area, for everything. We're ensuring that this area stays vibrant for years to come. And with partnerships like Ducks Unlimited and Shell together, we can do more and more of these and protect more and more area. Every day, I feel like I'm serving the community and giving back and helping conserve a way of life.